If you want to install Dynamic Island on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can download a third-party app that allows you to get the Dynamic Island. There's also a chance that once the Redmi Note 15 Pro and Pro Plus receive the HyperOS 3 update, perhaps after that we can actually get the built-in Dynamic Island, also known as Xiaomi Hyper Island. But of course, it is not really certain that these phones will receive that. Nevertheless, if you still want to install Dynamic Island right now, we can just go to search and we can just simply type Dynamic Island. And of course, you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that work more or less like these dynamic islands that you can expect them to work like. In my case, I'm gonna use this one, the dynamic spot. Of course, feel free to try anything else if you don't like this one. But once it is installed, we're gonna set it up, so let's open it. We have to wait a couple of seconds, and then we can go ahead and press next. We need to select apps over here. So if you tap on select apps, you will see the list of apps that you have installed, and then you can decide which apps should be synchronized with the dynamic island. So when you receive a notification, then they will pop up on that dynamic island. You can individually choose whichever app should be working with it, or you can just tap on all in the upper right corner to select everything. Then we have notification access, so we need to tap over here in order to then choose dynamic spot, and then we need to allow notification access. We need to select that we are aware of possible risks, and after 10 seconds we can press this OK button. So let's do so. And then we're gonna tap on a draw on screen, but we need to also disable battery saver, so we need to set it to no restrictions. And then let's go back, tap on the draw on screen again and go next. Wait a couple of seconds, go to downloaded apps, choose dynamic spot, and we can turn it on over here. Once again, select that you are aware of possible risks, and after 10 seconds, tap on the red OK button. There we go. And now we can tap on done. You might see a pro offer, which we can close by using this X in the upper right corner. If needed, you can also go to notifications in order to then, for example, find the list of apps again that you can customize. And also we can go to position in order to take a look at the dynamic island to see how it looks like. And in case you need to readjust the position, then you can easily do so as well. So let's make it slightly bigger, perhaps, maybe something like this. Also, let's move it a little bit down to make it in the middle with the camera that we have at the front, and we can also make it slightly wider because why not? There we go, something like that. So yeah, once you are done with the setup, you should be able to just simply go back and it should work just fine afterwards. And there we go. We can also press this play button in order to get an example notification. And that is it. Subscribe to my channel.